All right, so we're getting close to MidOhio. It's just around the corner here, and so I have a number of people who contact me. They want to get a live streaming camera system in their car by the time they get to the big race, and it's unfortunately it's something we don't think about until we get right up to the event. So here's an early reminder: if you want to have a live streaming rig in your car for MidOhio, now's the time to buy it. That way you have time for me to set up the config and get it to you and you can test it. So we're heading into Thompson here pretty soon. And then we get one more week. And then the next week is race week when we have to get loaded up and get out. So this is a great time this week to get it ordered so I can get the configuration done and get it to you so you have time to get it mounted into the car and get it working. So yeah, this is the mount setup, and just a couple things here. I just had some inserts made. These are the 1.5 inch bar some of you are running. I've never had anybody until last weekend or 2 weekends ago say, I need an adapter of some kind for the 1.5 inch roll bar. And so these inserts will get that done. So those are available. Here's a tip for you, because I got a couple things in this video, so stick with me on it. When you get these and you mount them, let's say you mount them and the car is pointed this way. Yeah, mount it in this way instead of spinning this around and spinning the camera so it hangs into the passenger compartment. Set it behind the bar, and this will avoid the helmet strikes and the shoulder and elbow punches when you have your co-driver, whoever's in the passenger compartment, working with who knows what, the cool suit stuff, I don't know, whatever it is. But that's a pro tip for you. Is this has like a little angle thing on it that kind of sets it back or forward. Set it back so that it's a little bit out of the strike zone when you have it in the car. Okay, so that's that. Also, I recently made two things to help you out. One of them is a index card. It's a 4x6. I'll put a link in the description below so you can print it off if you want to. And it gives you the step-by-step of how to set up the live stream in the myraces.live portal. So presuming you've done this before, this is just a step-by-step index card for it as a reminder, because I realize that we got a lot of teams that they don't race that frequently, and it's easy to kind of forget how to do it. So this index card will step you through that. You can tuck it into your backpack so you've got it whenever you set up your events, which I prefer to do mine, a couple days beforehand, because you can schedule them out, and then I'm not fiddling with it at the track. Also, though, on the back of the card is a QR code, and that QR code takes you to a video version of the same thing where I step you through visually how to do it. And again, this is just a reminder thing. It's not super long. It's just a quick, here's how you do it. But I also did the video with an incredibly accurate British accent. And I must admit, I'm getting pretty good at it. So if you want to get that, you can print that off down below. Or if you don't have any cardstock to print on, DM me, name and address, and I'll go ahead and print one out for you on cardstock, and I can get it mailed out to you, and hopefully you'll have it within a few days. Well, it's just about time for me to head to dinner, so I gotta go, but I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.